Resource blocks anatomy. A resource block is not an action. It is not a command. It is not a request sent to a cloud. A resource block is a statement of intent. You are describing that an object should exist with a specific identity and specific constraints. Terraform records this intent. Nothing more, nothing less. Terraform does not begin by reading values. It begins by decoding shape. Before meaning exists, structure must be understood. Terraform first identifies what kind of block this is and how it fits into the configuration body. Only after the decoding structure does meaning emerge. Terraform identifies three things immediately. First, this block represents managed state. Second, the resource type tells Terraform which provider boundary applies. Third, the local name creates an internal identity inside the graph. Attributes are ignored for now. Identity is established first. The identity here does not belong to the external system. It belongs to Terraform. Terraform uses the combination of type and local name to track one logical object over time. This identity is stable. Attributes are allowed to change. Identity is not. The resource address is not the infrastructure itself. It is a handle, a label Terraform uses to represent intent. If the handle changes, Terraform does not see a rename. It sees a new intent and the old intent disappearing. This distinction is absolute. Attributes describe shape. They express constraints about what the object should look like. They do not describe steps. They do not describe order. They describe facts Terraform expects to be true. Attributes do nothing by themselves. They are data. Terraform collects them, evaluates them, and compares them to remembered state. Action is never defined here. Action is inferred later. Here, Terraform detects a reference. That reference creates a dependency. Not because of file order, not because of block position, because one value cannot be known until another value exists. Terraform builds its graph from data flow. If one object needs information from another object, Terraform must respect that order. This is not orchestration. It is logical necessity. When a value is hard-coded, Terraform sees no relationship. A dependency still exists in reality, but it is invisible to the graph. This creates a hidden dependency, a ghost relationship. Terraform may succeed or it may fail unpredictably. This is not a syntax problem. It is a truth problem. A resource block does not describe change. It describes what should be true. Terraform compares past truth to present truth. Change is inferred, never commanded. When Terraform replaces an object, it is not being aggressive, it is being precise. The declared identity no longer matches what exists. Terraform preserves correctness over continuity. Later, you will see how Terraform knows which attributes are allowed to change and which are not. That knowledge does not live here, it lives at the provider boundary. A resource block is, in an identity declaration, a set of constraints, a node in a dependency graph. It is not a procedure, it is not an instruction, it is not a script. Hold this model, everything builds on it.